Hello everyone. I think all of you are fine, and I think all of you have attempted the exam, and by seeing the questions I think you may know from which lesson what all the questions have been taken and how the marks have been divided. That first I will explain. The question paper first, what model question paper I have given for you for reference, that is multiple choice question based model question paper. I will explain how the marks have been divided. First, 16 questions they have given for grammar. First 16 means 41 to 56. This will go for grammar questions. After that 57 and 58 and 59, 3 questions have been taken from the lesson A Hero. So 3 questions you will get from Hero. Next, question number 60 and 61, 2 questions have been taken from There's a Girl by the Tracks. And 62, 63, 64, here again 3 questions have taken from Gentlemen of Rio and Medio. And 65 and 66, 2 questions to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next, 67 and 68, again 2 questions from the lesson The Concert. 69 and 70, 2 questions from the color of silence. Totally 14 marks, means 14 questions have taken from prose here. So 16 marks for grammar, 14 marks for prose, totally 30 marks. Remaining 10 marks let me see here. So 71 and 72, 2 questions have taken from Grandma Climbs a Tree. This is poetry part. So 2 questions from Grandma Climbs a Tree. 73 and 74, 2 questions from Quality of Mercy. 75 and 76, again 2 questions from the Song of India. 77, only 1 question from Za's poem 2. And question number 78, only 1 question from The Blind Boy. Totally 8 marks as given for poetry. There 30 marks, here 8, 38. Remaining only 2 marks. 2 marks are given for supplementary reader. So first lesson is Narayanpur incident. 79 question, only 1 question from Narayanpura incident. And 80th last question, only 1 question from A Great Martyr Ever Cherished. So 2 questions or 2 marks are given for supplementary reader. Totally 40 marks. Like this marks have been divided. I think already you have answered your paper. I know how to share the answers, and directly will go for the key answers. So 4 choices are given for each of the question. Incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with a blue or a black point pen. So here in OMR sheet you must use only a black or a black point pen, none of other. So while shading, already in Kannada Miss has shown, shade which is options will be given A, B, C, D. Fully you must shade that which is the answer. Understood? So first question, let me go for the first question. Could I have the details please? The language function for the above sentence is, so here you must identify the language function. So options are A, order, B, request, C, obey, and D, advice. So question is, could I have the details please? So please, whenever please will come, it will be a request. So you must share the B there. Next, question number 42. The word which collocates with earth is, collocate means another word, means it will come again along with it. Earth, the options are given water, quake, land, soil. So correct answer is earthquake. Again answer is B. Question number 43. The word which has 2 syllables is, I already shown you how to find out the syllables. The best method is using the chin method, isn't it? So you must identify which word is having a 2 syllables. The options given are moon, English, accident, and ceremony. So English is having the 2 syllables. So answer is B. Next, question number 44. The children were plucking flowers. The passive form of the above sentence is active as in passive voice. Here passive form of the sentence. The children were plucking flowers. So answer is C. Flowers were being plucked by the children. Next, question number 45. India dash by the British before 1947. The appropriate tense form of the verb to be used here is, the options are given. You must use the appropriate tense form to fill here. India dash by the British before 1947. So options given are is ruled, was ruled, were ruled and in ruled. Which is the correct answer? Again B, was ruled. India was ruled by the British before 1947. Question number 46. The appropriate prefix to form the opposite of regular. So opposite means prefix means here opposite. Opposite word. To form an opposite word, which prefix you can use here? Options given are un, miss, ir, in, in. So which is the correct? Option C, IR, irregular is the correct answer. Next, question number 47. She sings melodiously. The part of speech of the underlined word is AR an. So you must identify the part of speech here. Options given are noun, pronoun, adverb and verb. Which is the correct answer? Again C, adverb is the correct answer. Question number 48. The meeting was dashed due to bad weather. The correct phrasal verb to be used here is, so phrasal verb. The question is given, the meeting was dashed due to bad weather. Let me see the options. First, option A is put on, option B put up with, option C put off and option D put out. Which is the correct answer? Put off, C. Next, question number 49. Greenland is larger than any other island in the world. The superlative form of the above sentence is, which is the correct answer here? Let me see the options first. First, option A is Greenland is the large island in the world. Option B, no other island is largest than Greenland in the world. Option C, Greenland is the largest island in the world. And option D, Greenland is the largest of the islands. So correct answer is option C, Greenland is the largest island in the world. Next question, question number 58. If you had started early, you would dash miss the train. Miss the bus. So options given are A, wouldn't have, B, would have, C, could have and D, could not have. So which is the correct answer? If you had started early, you dash miss the bus. Wouldn't have. If you have started early, you would not have missed the bus. Question number 51. I shall come tomorrow. The question tag to be used here is, so which is the correct question tag here? So options given are am I, shall I, don't I, aren't I. So correct answer is shall I. I shall come tomorrow, shall I? Next, question number 52. I am going to see dash doctor. The article to be used here is, given options are A and the. Only three articles are there. Which is the correct answer? Option C, the. I am going to see the doctor. Next, question number 53. The thieves quarreled dash themselves. The preposition to be used here is, so you must fill the preposition here. The thieves quarreled dash themselves. Options given are for, between, among, after. So correct answer is among themselves. Next, question number 54. I bought it dash I needed it. The conjunction to be used here is, so you must fill the correct conjunction there. A, and, B, still, C, so, D, because. Which is the correct answer? Option D, because. I bought it because I needed it. Next, question number 55. The way in which he told the story was so dash. The correct form of the word to be used is, so which the word you must fill there. Options are interested, interestingly, interesting, and interests. So correct option is option C, interesting. So the way in which he told the story was so interesting. Next, question number 56. In a formal letter, yours faithfully is known as, what it is known as? First option is salutation, B, subscription, C, superscription, and D, subject. Correct answer is A, salutation. Next, question number 57. Up to here 16 questions completed of the grammar. Now we are going to prose part now. 57. Swami saw a moving creature in the room. It was dash. So when Swami was sleeping alone in his father's office room, he will saw some object is moving. What is that? His shadow, a scorpion, a man, a ghost. So answer is option C, a man. Next, question number 58. There might be scorpions behind your law books, said dash. Who said this statement in Swami's A Hero lesson? Again, this question is taken by Hero. Options given are Granny, Swami, Father, Mother. Who said this? Option B, Swami. Next, 59. Swami said that a very strong and grown up person might have fought with the tiger. Do you think he made this remark out of his dash? So this sentence is said by Swami to his father, isn't it? He made this statement by what? Experience, wisdom, belief, or knowledge. What's the answer? Answer is belief. Option C. Next, question number 60. There's a girl by the tracks. The voices cried out. Whose voices were? Those were. So while the train was moving, in the train we will hear this. Many of the commuters who were traveling in the train, they will shout this. There's a girl by the tracks. So options given are Baleshwar Mishra, commuters, tempo truck driver, Dinesh Talreja. Answer is answer B, commuters. Next, question number 61. Oh, I could not thank him. Baleshwar thought, who do you think he could not thank? So this sentence is taken by there's a girl by the track. So Baleshwar will say, oh, I could not thank him. For whom he wanted to say thank. Options given are A, cop, B, tempo truck driver, C, railway employee, or D, Roma's brother. For whom? Tempo truck driver, who helped him to carry Roma to hospital. Next, question number 62. The old man was dash. Then this question is taken by gentlemen of Rio and Medio, isn't it? So options given are understanding, quick, unhurried, and witty. So which is the correct answer? Unhurried. Why? Means he was already old, so he was very slow in all his activities, isn't it? So the old man was unhurried. Question number 63. The word innumerable kin means that the old man had a number of dash. So here innumerable kin, the meaning of innumerable kin. Options given are children, trees in his orchard, or relatives and followers. So which is the correct answer? Option C, relatives. So kins are said as relatives. Next question number 67. Mukanayak, Bahishkrit Bharat and Samata were dash. So this question is taken by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What are these all? Mukanayak, Bahishkrit Bharat and Samata. They are voicemails or newspapers or political parties or names of the leaders. So they are the newspapers, names of the newspapers. Next question. Question number 65. Ambedkar spent most of his life by dash. How he spent his from childhood to up to his grown up. How he has spent his lot of his time. Option A, purchasing books. Option B, attending conferences. Option C, reading books. Option D, importing books. Option C is the correct answer, by reading books. Next question, question number 66. Suddenly a daring thought came to dash. So this is from the concert. Question A, option A is given Smita. Option B, Aunt Sushila. Option C, Anand's mother. Option D, neighbor. Suddenly a daring thought came to dash. Whom? Smita is the correct answer. Option A. Next, question number 67. We must not miss the chance. Who said this? So again in the same lesson, who said this sentence? We must not miss this chance. Repeatedly this sentence has been said by Anand's father, Smita, Anand's mother or Anand. Option D is the correct answer, Anand. Why? Means he don't want to miss the concert of Pandit Ravi Shankar, isn't it? Next. Why do you take away his source of entertainment? Asked dash. So color of silence this is. So who will say this? Why do you take away his source of entertainment? Asked. Only one source of entertainment Satish had is the painting or drawing, isn't it? So this sentence is said by A, mother, B, brother, C, father or D, Satish. So who said this? Option A is the correct answer, mother. Question number 69. The word expedition in para 18 means dash. So option expedition means the meaning you must write here. Option A, journey. Option B, visit. Option C, mountaineering. Option D, drawing. So expedition means journey. Option A is correct answer. Next question number 70. So this has been taken by Rio and Medio, means the gentleman of Rio and Medio. According to the Don Anselmo, the real owners of the trees was or were dash. So according to Don Anselmo, who are the real owners of the trees which were in the Arcade? Options given are the children of Rio and Medio. Option B, Don Anselmo himself. Option C, the Americans. Option D, the storyteller. What is the correct answer here? According to Don Anselmo, the children of Rio and Medio are the real owners of the trees. Next question number 71. The family members of grandma, up to here prose completed. Now here to 71 to you are starting your poetry part. The family members of the grandma told her that one should grow old. How the family members wanted to grow? Let me see the options. Option A is given bravely. Option B, disgracefully. Option C, gracefully. Option D, slowly. So which is the correct answer? Gracefully. Option C is the correct answer. So the family members of the grandma wanted one to grow in a graceful manner, but grandma wanted to grow or be in a disgraceful manner, isn't it? Next, question number 72. When grandma was confined to bed, she felt. Was she happy? Was she sad? Let me see what the options are given. Option A is relieved. Option B, miserable. Option C, happy. Option D, rested. Which is the correct answer? Miserable. Option B is the correct answer. 73. It dropped dash. So this mercy, quality of mercy is for memorization. So they have asked the poem line here. So you must learn the poem also. It dropped dash. The appropriate option of the complete line of the poem is. So which is the remaining part of this line? Option A, above this sceptrous way. B, the dread and fear of kings. Option C, as a gentle rain from heaven. Option D, the force of temporal power. So it droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven. Option C is the correct answer. Next, question number 74. In the poem Quality of Mercy, mightiest is in the mightiest refers to. So next, again the quality of mercy. In the poem Quality of Mercy, mightiest is the mightiest refers to what? Scepter or a crown or a mercy or a dread. What is the answer? Mercy is the correct answer. Option C. Next poem from the Song of India. Question number 75. In the poem The Song of India, motherland wants the poet to sing about. So here in this poem, starting to poet will ask Mother India what to sing, isn't it? After that, lastly Mother will ask poet to sing about what? That question has been asked here. Let me see what the options are given. Option A, the seers and prophets. Option B, strikes and class war. Option C, dams and lakes. Option D, Himalayas and 3 seas. Which is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. Mother India will ask the poet to sing about the strikes and class war. Next, question number 76. Mother India appeared to be sitting on. Again in the poem, how the Mother India is looking like. She is sitting on. Option A, the peaks of Himalayas. B, the beautiful waves. C, the rock-cut temples. Or D, the dams and lakes. Where she is sitting? She is sitting on the beautiful waves. Option B is the correct answer here. Question number 77. His wrinkled old face, so full of wearies of living, suggests that the Zaz player was. So this is taken from the Zaz poem 2. So here explaining the Zaz player here. His wrinkled old face, so full of wearies of living, suggests that Zaz player was. Let me see the options. Old and cheerful. Option B, not enthusiastic about life. Option C, lively but old. Option D, very enthusiastic about the life. So B is the correct answer. He was not enthusiastic about life. He was not having any interest about the life. Next, question number 78. Oh, say what? This is the blind boy. The poem Blind Boy. Oh, say what dash. The appropriate, again here they have asked the poem line here. The appropriate option to complete the line of the poem is option A, of wondrous things you see. Option B, day or night, myself I make. Option C is that thing called light. Option D are the blessings of the sight. So what is the complete line of this poem? Oh, say what is that thing called light. So option C is the correct answer for 78th question. Next, 79. The mysterious parcel. Up to here poem part have been completed. Now supplementary reader. Last two questions have taken from supplementary reader. 79th question is the mysterious parcel that was brought to Mohan's house contained. So what the parcel have been brought, what was there in that, what type of machine was there. Let me see what the options have given. The pamphlets, money, newspaper or cyclo-styling machine. What was there in the parcel? It was a cyclo-styling machine. This question is taken by Narayanpura incident. Next, last question. The great martyr ever cherished. So 80th question. Hema Aziz politely refused the Indian Army's compensation offer of. So after the death of his son, Indian Army or government has given some of the compensation. So it was in the form of what? What Hema Aziz had refused it. Let me see the options. Option A, house. Option B, money. Option C, petrol pump. Or option D, a job. What they have given? A petrol pump, isn't it? So she will refuse and she will suggest to give someone who are in need it. I think you have understood and prepare well for your examination, and all the best for your examination. Thank you.